the water.
Grab my hand.
Asterisk gap. Whoa! Look at that tree across the river. It is full of big red apples.
It is on the other side. We'd have to cross the river to get there.
Woof woof.
Easy. I'll just hop right over. How deep can it be?
Careful, Steve. Rivers can be deep, deeper than they look.
PFFT. It is just a little water. C. Stepping stones. I'll jump stone to stone to stone.
Those stones are slippery. Go slow.
Jump number 1. Jump number 2. Jump number.
F. F.
Steve, wait. That middle stone is loose.
Ooh, ooh, ah, fet! Help, the water. It is so deep, I can't touch the bottom.
Grab my hand. Pixel, help me pull.
G. Woof.
Asterisk gasp. Asterisk. Okay, that was not a little water.
Are you okay? That was scary. The river is too deep to cross.
So, how do we get to the apples?
We build a bridge. A bridge lets us cross safely over the water.
A bridge? Yes, I'll get the wood. Strong wood, careful wood.
Lay the planks across. 1, 2, 3. Make it strong.
Woof.
Is it done? Is it safe? Will it hold me?
Only one way to find out. Cross carefully, one at a time. I'll go first. See, slow steps. The bridge holds.
My turn. Careful, careful. I'm crossing the river.
F.
We did it! We crossed the river and nobody got wet!
You're still soaking wet, Steve.
Nobody else got wet! The apples! Big, red, juicy apples! Worth it!
See, we crossed the deep river, the safe way with a bridge.
Woof woof.
Best apples ever. Here, Pixel, a hero apple!
And one for the bridge builder. The river was deep, so we didn't jump. We built a bridge and crossed.
Jump bad. Bridge good. I finally learned a rule.
Woof.
If water is deep, don't jump in. Find a safe way across.
Like a bridge or a really long dog.
That is not how dogs work, Steve.
It is just a little river. What could go?
Steve, don't say that.
Jump number 1. Jump number 2. Asterisk gasp. Asterisk.
If water is deep, don't jump in.